Are online courses useful?
Are unpaid internships worth it?
What goals should I be making?
How crucial is competitive coding?
How much your online certification
How
journey
important is
matters?
What are the advantages of joining
When do you
project
begin
development?
working on your
That's
written
typical
program?
for
How it
back
must
end.
stand out?
All of us are at a crossroads in our lives, with so many directions to go towards, so many domains to explore, and so many things we do not want to miss out on. It's easy to be overwhelmed and not know where to go or what to pursue. Not anymore. Welcome to a platform where we help you navigate this phase and find your true calling, all by learning from the people who have been exactly where you are and know what you are going through. A place where they spill the beans and give you the ins and outs of the industry without holding back or sugarcoating their answers. A place where you'll not only hear from the best of the best, but also where you'll be heard. This is the place to be. Welcome to CSI Stdio. Hear us anywhere and everywhere you get your podcasts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and go follow us on Spotify. Go follow us on our Instagram and Twitter to be the first to know about everything CSI. See you on the other side.